Let's begin this project with one middle-class Passat B5 body from 3D printer. Mine's A1 mini, so I decided to go on 1:25 scale. 9-gram servo motor that will control our little baby. DC motor and set of fancy rims to carry this enormous power. Framed parts. Micro receiver. Unfortunately, it broke down during this shooting and I had to stuff a regular sized receiver in there. Forgive too much light, but this is a piece of copper wire bent to handle the control arms. Strongly intermediate 3D printed frame. Some wires and bulbs. Installation begins by lubricating the wheel's axle and connecting them to control arms. My 9-gram servo identifies itself as a 10-gram servo, so I had to make a little more space for it. We don't need that. Lubricating such tiny spots with such a huge syringe is a real pleasure. Front axle assembly is almost ready.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
In the rear axle, I used spacers made from a cut piece of earplug like this one. I can already feel it rolling up the asphalt behind it. Let's check all systems before final installation. Looks like it's okay. Before I start painting, a few close-ups of finished chassis. Of course, the time saved with average print quality will give us the extra fun of putting and sanding. Woohoo! This color is called pine green, and um, maybe I like it. Already looks good, and after painting the details and adding lights, it will be stunning. Super glue would definitely leave foggy stains, so I use glue for plastics. On these sticks I will glue the LEDs so that they are placed equal. I will connect the top to the bottom with magnets. Did I make it nice? Oh boy, yes, it is beautiful.